On to some news that's breaking this minute. The latest update that is coming in on the Maharashtra versus the centre row over the Shramik trains. Rail Minister Piyush Goyal has now tweeted asking the Uddhav government where is the list of the 125 trains which the state was supposed to stand. The Union Minister has said that they have now notified 41 trains to Maharashtra since they did not get the list. However, Maharashtra government now says that the state has demanded 134 trains from the centre. And in the latest update coming in, a Shramik train scheduled for today from Mumbai to Howrah has been cancelled. And in this at a time when we are looking at that war of words that has broken out between Maharashtra and the centre regarding the Shramik train. This is the latest update coming in. The Mumbai to Howrah special Shramik train now stands cancelled. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh for further updates on this. Mayuresh, this is a big face-off that is now brewing between the centre and the Maharashtra government. And let's not forget, just now we're getting the information of another Shramik train which is to leave from Mumbai to Howrah. That also stands cancelled.
Yes, right now I'm standing at Bandra terminus from where the Shramik train was supposed to ply to Howrah basically, and I'll ask my camera person Rakesh to show you the visuals that you can see right now. There is no one, but just hour back there were more than 300 to 400 people who had come all the way from different parts of Mumbai, and they were told at somewhere around 9:45-50 that their train has been cancelled. Even they were quite angry about it because many of them told that it's been happening since last 4 to 5 days, that they were called in by police since their train is there, and after that they were being told that the train has been cancelled. As you can see also right now there is no one at the platform also because the train has got cancelled. So certainly it is happening. The standoff which we are experiencing yesterday, where state is saying that whatever the trains we are demanding to the centre, we are not getting those trains, whereas centre is saying that whatever the demand state has given, state is asking for us, we are providing all that. And in between this thing is happening that the train is getting cancelled at the last moment.